Determine the limit by interpreting it as the definition of the derivative. Limit is h goes to 0 of x plus h squared plus 1 divided by 7x plus 7h minus 2 minus x squared plus 1 over 7x minus 2 all over h. This limit is of the form limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. The result of this limit, being the definition of the derivative, is f prime of x, the derivative of f of x. So instead of working out the limit directly, we can, as an alternative, find the derivative of f of x. In order to do that, we need to determine f of x, and f of x is found here, which is here. So our f of x is x squared plus 1 divided by 7x minus 2. We will want to find the derivative of this, f prime of x. This is a quotient of two functions of x, so we will need to make use of the quotient rule. The derivative of the numerator will be a 2x times the denominator left alone, 7x minus 2, minus the numerator left alone, x squared plus 1, times the derivative of the denominator, which is a 7. All of this will be divided by the denominator squared, 7x minus 2 squared. In the numerator, we will want to simplify this. Let's distribute the 2x in here. That will give us 14x squared minus 4x. And let's distribute the minus 7 into here. And that will give us minus 7x squared minus 7. All of this is over the denominator, 7x minus 2 quantity squared, which we'll just leave alone. It's in a nice factored form. In the numerator, we will combine like terms together. I have a 14x squared and a minus 7x squared. We can put those together. 14 minus 7 is 7, so 7x squared. There's a negative 4x and a negative 7 that do not combine with anything. All over 7x minus 2 squared. So there's the derivative f prime of x, and that's the result of the limit. So the result of this limit is 7x squared minus 4x minus 7 all over 7x minus 2 squared.